In this chapter, we look at the screening section of the Inc. site, which allows you to search for specific issuers or insiders based on their insider filings. Under CA or US screening, use the filter bar to search the insider filings database for issuers or insiders based on multiple criteria, including type of security, filing, or transaction dates. Type of transaction such as public market buying or selling, type of insider such as officer or director, and ownership type such as direct holdings. You can narrow down your search further by specifying specific stock exchanges, market capitalization size, stock price range, and sector or industry. Results can be displayed either by issuer name or insider name and sorted by dollar or volume buying. Please note that searches that involve long date ranges may take a significant amount of time to process, especially during peak periods, which typically occur midweek during market hours. In the next chapter, we move to explore tools that help you monitor your investments.